up? It's Elton. We're here from Worldwide Hair Hub. I just want to say thank you for all the support that we've been having out in India. All our Indian clients, you have been so amazing, and I just want to thank you so much for all your support. Moving on, the reason I'm making this short little video is because we are having fun with color. For people that think wearing a hair system means you have to be boring, no way. I mean, we have fun colors, crazy colors, yellows, blues, pinks, oranges, you name it, we're having fun with it. A hair system should be about enjoyment. Come, if you're wearing a hair system and if you're looking for a change, give us a call. We will totally help you out. And a quick little secret out there, we're running a special promotion for India, specifically in Bangalore. Give us a call. Bye guys, thanks for all your support.